Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly install your wall thermostat in your KP130, VG130, or AP130 pellet stove. For this installation, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a small precision screwdriver, wire cutters, a wire stripper, pliers, a level, a power drill with Phillips head attachment, 10 plus feet of 18-gauge wire, 2 female spade connectors, and a pencil. We'll start by connecting the thermostat wiring to the stove's circuit board. 1. Before you begin, allow the stove to go through the shutdown process. Once it's cool and all components have turned off, unplug the stove. 2. Remove the screws along the back corner of the left side panel of the stove using your Phillips head screwdriver. 3. Remove the side panel by sliding the panel straight back to reveal the metal tabs along the inside of the panel. Angle the bottom of the panel outward and pull it down. 4. Lay the panel to the side. Unplug any connectors from the back of the circuit board that are not long enough to reach the circuit board once the panel is removed. 5. Using your wire stripper, strip the end of 2 pieces of wiring. You should have 2 wires cut to a length that will reach from your pellet stove to the location of your wall thermostat. Remember, the wall thermostat must be installed a minimum of 10 feet from the pellet stove. If your thermostat will be installed more than 15 feet from the pellet stove, you may need to use a larger wire size, such as 16 gauge. 6. Insert the stripped end of the 2 wires into the female spade connectors and crimp the ends using your pliers so the wires are held securely in place. 7. Remove the small black rectangular jumper from the circuit board. This jumper is located in between the 2 prongs labeled T-stat. Remember to keep the jumper. It will need to be replaced if you ever decide to uninstall the wall thermostat. 8. Plug the 2 female spade connectors onto the 2 prongs labeled T-stat on the back of the circuit board. 9. Guide the ends of the 2 wires through one of the vent holes in the side or back panel and pull them through. 10. Connect any wires from the wiring harness to the circuit board that you may have detached when removing the side panel and slide the panel in place. Replace the 3 screws that secure the side panel to the stove. Next, we'll work on mounting the wall thermostat and connecting the wiring from the stove. 1. Open the cover on the back of the wall thermostat and insert 2 AA batteries, included. Then replace the cover and be sure that it snaps into place. 2. Double-check that your wires are cut to the desired length and strip the ends using your wire stripper. 3. Loosen the set screws on the back of the wall thermostat so that there is enough space for the stripped ends of your wires to be inserted. 4. Insert the stripped ends of your wires and tighten the set screws so that the wires are securely fixed. 5. Lay the wires through the small cutout at the bottom of the wall thermostat. Place the white plate cover over the wires, line up the holes for the screws, and use the precision Phillips screwdriver to tighten the small screws that are included with the thermostat mounting hardware. 6. Place your mounting bracket against the wall where you are installing your wall thermostat. Be sure that it is level and mark the holes for the 2 mounting screws, included. If you require drywall anchors, included, install them now. 7. Use your drill and 2 mounting screws to fix the mounting bracket to the wall. 8. Line up the top of the wall thermostat with the mounting bracket, lower it in place, and press it until it locks into place. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.